Making some chili here in the Instant Pot, starting with onions and garlic, and we're doing a little bit of no oil sauteing here, trying to keep it low fat. Okay, we've added in half this package. This is a 12-ounce package, so we put in 6 ounces of these meatless grounds here by Lightlife, and I'm also going to add some super sweet corn as well, and then we're going to let this sear for a little while, or saute for a little while here. Then we're going to add in our tomatoes and our seasonings. Alright, that is done. Here we have it all finished. Looking pretty good. Looking pretty good.